Guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to post on Instagram, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So first of all, just simply open up your Instagram app, and then here you can see the plus icon. In order to post something, just simply tap on this plus icon, and then here you can simply select a picture or a video. Just simply select it, or if you want to select multiple, just simply tap on it and select multiple and tap next. And then here you can add your pictures or your photos or videos or whatever. So just simply add them. You can change all of the settings and tap add done when you add it. So once you added your video or your photo, just simply tap add next, and then here write any caption for your post. And then here you can also add a location. From here you can tag your friends or you can invite a collaborate, and then tap at this tick on the top right corner. And then here you can also add a music from your music or from internet, from Instagram. So just simply tap on the music and then tap at this tick mark. So once you're done with all of that, so if you also want to share it on Facebook, just simply toggle on this option and tap at continue. Share your this specific post to your Facebook page, as well as if it's associated with your Instagram. Just simply here select your page and tap add done. So once you're done with all of this stuff, and you can tap at this share web icon on the top right corner to share this post on Instagram. So here it's just taking a little bit time for the finishing up. Once it's posted, you can come to your profile section and then refresh to see the changes. So here you can see we had just posted it, and we have also added a music to our post. So that's how you can easily post on Instagram. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in the comment section below and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks guys.